Peace, family. Welcome back to the Absolute Boss Collective. This video is a trading system review video, okay? And we're going to get into a really hot program. I'm really digging this program, and I wanted to share it with y'all so that you can, find different techniques and strategies to improve your trading game or to prepare yourself to get in the game. Okay? So you don't have to go out there and spend all of this money on all of these different programs. Tune in here to the Absolute Boss Collective and we're going to show you the best of the best. Okay? Before we get into the trading program, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. We're going to keep bringing you the content that's going to allow you to gain wisdom and build up your finances. Okay? Turn on your post notifications. Okay? Hit me off with a question or a comment. Ask about any other trading system that you are interested in, because I plan to review them all. At least the best of the best, I'm going to be reviewing those. Okay, so I'm going to make the investment, I'm going to do the work, and then I'm going to come back and give you my thoughts. Okay, so before we get into the video, I want you guys to know that this video is brought to you by the debut album from Nice and Smooth. Okay, on that debut album, self-titled debut album, they have a song called No Delayin. And in that song, the brother Greg Nice says, "Ever since then, booties clocked me like Big Ben." And that's what we're going to talk about. This video, we're going to be reviewing the Trade Win Profit Academy Price Action course. Okay? Now, to get started, I found Big Ben on YouTube. Okay? I watch a lot of trading and investing videos. And I came across his channel, and here it is. And in seeing his videos, I knew that this brother was on point. And what happened at the end of 2021, I gifted myself his trading program. And if you want to get down with this trading program, if you want to try it out, there's going to be a link below. So hit that link and get yourself a discount and help your brother out at the same time. Okay, so that's how I came across him. Now, for all of the new heads that's out there is a lot of different channels out here that deal with investing and trading and options and all of this different kind of stuff, crypto, everything. Okay, now here's the benchmark for me. If I watch somebody's video and I don't know them, right? It's the first time maybe, it was suggested to me. It has a catchy title. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes those titles are clickbait. It has a catchy title. How I determine if I'm going to continue to watch those videos or if I'm going to subscribe to that channel is, number one, if I learn something. Sometimes I watch somebody's video and I learn something, and they may not even be finished with the first video I'm watching. I'm already hitting subscribe. The other thing, there's three measures that I use. So one, if I learn something, you're getting down, I'm down with you. Number two is if you bring clarity to something I'm familiar with. Sometimes I'll watch a video and they'll have something in there and then, that light bulb go off and I'm like, eureka, that's what it is. You earn a subscription. And lastly, inspired. Okay, so I found all of these things when I found the Day Trading Addict channel. So therefore, I jumped into, made that investment and purchased the program. Okay, and not only did I purchase it, and not only have I been studying it. Check me out, kid. Yeah, I got my government name blanked out. You know what I'm saying? I don't want y'all trying to steal my identity. Not saying that y'all would do something like that, but I got my certificate, completed the course, and some of the things I love about this course is he stresses, most importantly, he does a deep dive into the auction process. And the auction process is really the foundation of the stock market. Okay? Some of the other things I learned, how and why you should draw on your chart, on your hourly chart, charting levels and stuff like that. A lot of good stuff. I also like how he approaches the subject of how much you start with. I think the most important thing that really resonates with me and really makes me say that you guys, especially if you're new, if you're a new person and you want to get into trading, I think that this is the best program to start with. Sometimes, see, with me, this is the challenge that I have. I've been trading for 10, 11 years. So I have a lot of bad habits that I picked up. I have a certain methodology that I use that I'm just so accustomed to doing it for so many years that when I find a program or I come across information that is different from what I'm used to, it's a learning curve for me to incorporate that into my existing methodology and practices because I'm so used to doing it one way. So I benefit from it because it shows me another side. It shows me another way of achieving the same goal. On the other hand, if you're a person that does not have that track record or have that time, then great. You can go into this program, and if you follow the program and study it, you really have to study it because it's a wealth of information. It's a lot of information. I told you, I got this the last week of December. And here we are. We're 6 months in, damn near 7 months in. I'm still studying this, okay? So if you're a new person that, is just starting trading or haven't traded, it's going to be perfect. You have a clean slate and you have a perfect educator and a perfect program to show you how to extract money out of the market. That's what it's all about, making money, okay? So you wouldn't have any conflicting views because you just have this one system that you're learning. And it takes years, months, and days. They say it takes about 6 years to master something. So your brother Absolute is telling you, start with this. This is great for you to start with. Now for the cats that have experience or a lot of experience, it's good because this program is put together in such a way that it allows you to really look at price action and the auction process and how it really works and how to capitalize on the system as it is. Okay? So those who have experience, you have experience, for instance, I'll give you guys an example. The example is I plot a 20-day moving average on my charts, and that's pretty much law for me. Below the 20 average, I'm selling. Above the 20 moving average, I'm buying. Okay, so he has the same thing, yet he uses a horizontal lines. So it's the same in a sense, or these are indicators that complement each other or work in tandem with each other, and that's great. So for all of my experienced traders, no matter what the experience level is good to see this particular process, okay? Because what it reminds me of is how professionals trade, okay? The professional way. And at the end of the day, that's what we all want to do, is do this as a career. And that is Day Trader Ben's goal, is to make you into a professional trader. So start here, okay? So we're going to take a look inside the program, and here it goes. Okay. Looks awesome, doesn't it? Okay. So basically, I just wanted to give you guys an overview. If I had to give this program a rating, maybe that's what I should start doing, ratings. So if we say, if we do like a album in a source that gets like 5 mics, I don't even know if they still do that, but at one point they used to have, 5 mics was the max that you can get, right? So here we're gonna say out of 5, I give it a 5. It is a perfect program. I have learned a lot from it. I'm still learning from it. I'm actually, really suggesting that if you're new, I would start here, okay? So once again, if you want the Trade Win Profit Academy program, there's a link below, okay? Also, shoot over to Homeboy's channel. Check him out. He has a lot of great videos. And that's about it for this one. This is Absolute for the Absolute Boss Collective, signing off. Peace.